Happy to see those nice young men in their clean white coats, and they're coming to take me away.
You thought it was a joke, and so you laughed. You laughed
when I had said that losing you would make me flip my lip. Right? You know you laughed. I heard you laugh. You laughed, and then you left. But now you know I'm utterly mad.
Man, they're coming to take me away, ha-ha. They're coming to take me away, ho-ho, hee-hee, ha.
On in a flag.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Drexel Park.
You mind if I be excused the rest of the afternoon?